Hi, I'm Paul Brodie. I have a little bit of a scratchy voice today, not because I was partying last night. There's a lot of flu bugs around. We are at that moment in the collaboration where we're going to pick a winner today. And I wrapped up my 3 layers of the trophy yesterday. I went down to the post office and I insured, it's expedited, and it's got a tracking number. Those are the 3 things. So I sure hope these 3 layers of the trophy make it down to Ron. It's supposed to be next Monday. It's a 5 business days. And it's going to be really interesting to see when he builds it up, because he's going to do it live, I'm sure, to see what the trophy actually looks like. So I want to thank Ron. It's been really good collaborating with you on this, and I think Ron's pretty pleased with this whole process as well. We've had a lot of comments, and I've got a laptop here. I figured that somehow all of the entrants who entered trophy in the comments, I figured it would get all printed out and we'd cut them up and we'd put them into a hat or a bowl, and then I would pick something. But I see now that that was an assumption that I made, because we're in a different world now. We've got Mitch's laptop here, and he got a program. He rented a program for $8 for 1 month. It's a YouTube comment picker. And you tell this program what comments you want chosen out of the comments section. So in our case, it's trophy. It randomly goes through all 4 videos that, we can do all 4 videos that we made for the trophy layers at one time. And it picks a winner right here. I should have known, but I didn't. So that's going to happen. I came up with the idea of making a trophy where we could each make a contribution, and it would look something like this. Basically, a bit like a wedding cake, and there was layers involved. And so there's 6 layers, and there's 2 of us, so we each get a layer.
I'll put the perforated band into place. Let's start with red. Here's the base layer for our trophy, and I think this came out absolutely fantastic.
I got to show a little bit of art in a sense, I think.
And then I can roll this around, and now I can bend the rest of it. I actually got a very, very nice snug fit. The fit is so good, in fact, that I don't think I need any mechanical fasteners to hold this together. It's really quite stable. Okay, everything's fitting together nicely. Let's try the top cap and see how that fits.
We have 1,409 comments from our 4 videos. Those are people that wrote trophy. All right, this is the moment where I choose the winner through Mitch's laptop. So now we'll hit start. And it's doing a random looking for 7 seconds, I believe. And the winner is Dan B, 46N2. Congratulations, Dan. I have no idea where you are. You need to get in contact with either myself or Ron, and we will sort out how it gets shipped to you. Wow, that was all over very, very quickly. And Dan B is the happy winner. I hope you're happy. I want to thank everyone for watching this series. I think it's been a success, and people are already saying, what's your next collaboration? I have no idea. So in the meantime, thank you very much. We appreciate this, and Mitch and I like coffee. If you send us a few coffees, much appreciated. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.